Hello guys, for today's video we will see how a bowline in a bight works, or the other uses of a bowline in a bight. So you can see here a dumbbell, and each metal plate has a weight of 5 pounds. All in all, 20 pounds, including this bar handle. Now we will make a bowline in a bight. So I have also a video tutorial on how to tie a bowline in a bight, and you can watch it on the description below. You can click the link on the description below, the tutorial of a bowline in a bight. Now this is a bowline in a bight, and as you can see, there are two loops together, and the pigtail. So we will use this bowline in a bight to lift this dumbbell. What we will do here is this loop, we will put it under the bar, and this other loop will over the bar. Then we will insert this upper loop at the center of the lower loop, like this. And this pigtail, we will also insert it to the upper loop, like this. So the formation is like this. Now we will try to lift this dumbbell. Okay. Okay. Then we will try to lift it up. Okay. There you go. As you can see, the bowline in a bight can hold this more than 20 pounds dumbbell. There. Okay. Now I will put it down, and let's try to take a look on the back side of the bowline. So there. Looks like that. Okay. We will try to lift it again. As you can see, I put an electrical tape at the center of the bar handle so that when we lift this dumbbell is at on a balanced state. See? Okay. Advantage of this technique is it is very easy to untie the knot, just like this. Okay, I hope you learned something on this video, and please subscribe on my video and hit the notification bell in order for you to be updated on my new videos. Okay, that's all guys, and thank you very much.